Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to find a bastion inside of Minecraft Bedrock 1.20. So to start with, you just want to leave the world that you're on and find which world it is and just go to the edit button next to it. Then you just want to scroll down until you find seed. Now make sure you write down the seed correctly and just take note of it. We're going to be using it in a second. After that's done, you want to head to this website called chunkbase.com and click apps. You then want to scroll down to seed map and you want to paste in your seed here that you just wrote down. And also select what version you're on. In my case it's Bedrock 1.2, but Java can do this also. Since we're looking for a bastion, you want to select the nether in dimension and click this drop down and deselect all. From there you just want to select only the bastion, so that's all we see. So if you're near the spawn point, it's going to be 0, 0. However, if you've already got some sort of base or something out there, just take notice of them coordinates and put them in here and select go. This red dot will show you exactly where your coordinates are of the spawn point compared to where the bastions actually are, so you know how far you actually have to travel to find them. So what's cool about this, you can see exactly what sort of bastion it is. So if you're looking for a treasure room, for example, you click on here and we make note of these coordinates as this is the closest one to it. So you then want to reopen your Minecraft world and you want to make sure your coordinates are enabled so it's a lot easier to find. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to teleport so it saves a bit of time. And when I teleport here, it should put us exactly on top of a bastion. As you can see, here we are. So hopefully this saved you guys a lot of time. It can be a bit boring running around looking for structures like this, so I personally prefer using a website like this just to make life a lot easier. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please comment down below that it worked and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.